We're in the low mileage beast again. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. You find me in the truck again. In today's video, we're off around the country collecting a few cars. I've got 3 to pick up today. Yeah, welcome to a day in the life of me. Thought I'd video this today. We're off to Kent now to go and collect a little Zetec S Fiesta. Then we're coming back, drop it at the yard, and then we're off to Colchester, pick another couple of Fiestas up, some salvage ones, and then yeah, we'll have a little look round them, see what I've bought, and go from there. The first one's not a salvage car, it's a trade-in, and needs a little bit of love, but it was a bargain and well worth the money. So yeah, I thought I'd film it today. So we're gonna go and grab these, and I'll see you in a bit. That's the first one collected. We couldn't film loading this one. We'll go get this one unloaded, and then we're off to get the next one. Show that one, Dave. First jalopy on the truck. See you in a bit. Got a mouthful. We're at the third motor. We just bought an EcoBoost off of Facebook, went and paid for that. We're going back for that. We're over in Colchester, Copart at the moment, collecting another 2. Yeah, wait for them to get loaded, and we'll see you in a bit. I couldn't resist it. We was in traffic for ages on the A130. We went to pick up the white EcoBoost from Braintree. We was in traffic for ages, and there was a crash on the A130. It was coming through. I said to Dave, we've got to film this and say this. What we keep seeing going around the internet is hilarious. It just chuckled us, so that's why I added this bit. Can't park there, sir. We're back. Car number 4 collected. Now it's time to show you some of them. So we've got a little 61 plate Fiesta. Been in the rear. Tailgate's popped. The rest of it's in good, clean condition, to be fair. I'm not going to walk, it's dirty down the other side of my truck. I'm not going to walk all the way around there. But yeah, this is one of them. All good. On to the next one. This is the last one. Little EcoBoost. That one's salvage, obviously. This one was bought off of Facebook. This is mechanical. It's running on 2. Little 3-cylinder EcoBoost Zetec S. Needs a good clean. In general, it's a good little car. I think this one's done about 80k. Yeah, it's missing. Standard on these engines always let go. They're not very good engines, but good little car. Some pennies to be earned. And this one, another little Copart one. Little 09 Fiesta in sea grey, 4-door titanium model. Keyless start and all that. It's high spec Fiesta for its age. Back bumper, gaping hole. I just sheeted that up, pushed in underneath there a little bit. Obviously needs a clean as filth, but bread and butter money, gotta be done. And make someone a nice little car. This one's a diesel. Straight down that side as well. Obviously needs a damn good clean, but we'll do that. When I get a chance, I'll drag it in. We'll have a look at the back panel. Probably need a pole. If not, we'll cut it out, weld a new back panel in that, and that one will be a nice car. This one's getting cleaned up, sold as is. I'm going to put a wing mirror cover on it. Got to put reflector in the bumper down there, and put the side skirt back on. This one's all HPI clear. Good little car. This was bought privately, so this one will do us. It's all good. Right, let's go and get the next one. I'll show you that in 2 secs. There we go. Car number 1 from this morning. Let's go Kent for this one. HPI clear, bought off a car sales. This is a trade-in of some sort, I don't know what. Odd wheels, flat tyres, no alternator, battery's toast because of no alternator, some caps missing on the side skirts, definitely needs some love. It was bought for the right money. 165,000 on the clock. Z-Tech S, cheap little bargain, perfect for a parts car, or I might just do it up and sell it cheap. In all fairness, they still make a couple of grand, so even with that mileage it's just 1,700 quid car, so it was worth it. That was car number 1 this morning. Went over to Kent for that, then we went to Colchester twice, then we went Braintree to pick up the 4th one. It's never ended. So there we go, guys. I'm not in the unit every day doing body work. I have to go out, buy cars, and still earn a living. I'm always hunting for bargains and whatever we can make a drink on and keep going with. So 2 today off of Facebook. The 4th one weren't planned. It was literally Dave was on Facebook while we were going to collect cars. This came up, so we rung them, went and viewed it, paid for it, and then went back for it after we'd collected another 2 out of Copart. So yeah, might be a bit boring for some of you today, but I just thought I'd film it, show you what we're doing. Literally day in the life of us. Like, we traipse the country picking up cars, buying bargains, and that's how we earn a living. So the little EcoBoost Fiesta today came up, we went and got that. That was an absolute bargain. The cheapest EcoBoost that we can find on Facebook and on eBay is about 4 grand ish upwards, you know. So that was a bargain. That's worth it all day long. I'm probably not even going to fix it. I'm going to put the bits back on it. The side skirt needs refixing, a reflector needs putting on that one, and a wing mirror cap I've got a spare. I'm just going to paint that white, smash that on there, and put that on eBay more than likely. That'll sell for 3 grand broken easy. So that's, yeah, just another drink for doing that. So that one's going on. The little Z-Tech S, the black one, was an absolute bargain. I've got a set of wheels, so I'm going to throw them on, clean it up, have a look at the other bits. I've already ordered an alternator, and I've got a spare battery laying around, so I'll do that as well. And yeah, just bread and butter jobs. Earn some money, pays the bills. So it's well worth doing. The red Fiesta, no major dramas with that one. It's just a salvage one, quite normal. It's a good little car. The grey one, I only went for that. It's a high spec titanium X, so it's got all the extra goodies. It's diesel, 20 quid road tax, and everyone loves cheap road tax. They're ideal runarounds, them little cars. So yeah, we'll end up dragging that in at some point. If it needs more work than we've first glanced at, then I'll cut the back panel off and put a brand new one on. I've priced the back panel up. I think they work out 120 quid. So yeah, we just cut that out, weld a new one in, paint it. I've got a bumper for it already, so that's literally it. Once that's done, that's a category S, and a good thing with that is I can just walk in, do the lost logbook form, which is how you apply for the logbooks, and I can tax it there and then for a year as well. So yeah, that's another good one. So yeah, sorry if you found this boring. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down as normal. I'm doing a Marcus Hayes here. If you thought it was any good, give it a thumbs up. But yeah, it's not always sanding and painting, it's driving around the blooming country, buying cars and picking them up. That's what happens sometimes, and sometimes you come across a bargain and you just got to have it, because the EcoBoost is going to pay my rent for a few weeks by the time I've sold that. So you can't moan, it's just how it goes sometimes. So yeah, as always, a massive thanks for watching, and We'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.